Hi guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are about to talk about why Instagram Reel boost brand visibility. And let's get started. Instagram Reels are designed to go beyond your followers. For example, I'll show you guys my professional dashboard, and this is the chart, and this is the pie chart, and this is the viewer list. My followers are 62% and non-followers are 38%. That means my video goes in the feed of non-followers as well. And the algorithm loves engagement, likes, shares and save, and the reels get more than the algorithm loves like, shares. The algorithm loves engagement, likes, shares, comment and repost, and also save. And so what you can do is also one viral reel can do what 50 posts can, but your one viral reel can do what 50 posts can. One viral reel can do what 50 posts cannot even do. It can put your brand in front of thousands, even millions. And the best part is you don't even need followers to grow. Reels bring followers to you. And the best part is you don't need followers to grow. Reel brings followers to you. Reels bring the followers to you. So if you are building a brand in 2026, reels aren't So if you are building a brand in 2026, reels aren't optional, they are essential. And I hope this video helped you out, If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.